In today's video, we're going to cover how to send a test invoice by email in Stripe. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard. Before you do anything with the invoice itself, look for the test mode setting and make sure it is enabled. This matters because you want the invoice email to be sent as part of a test workflow, not from your live account. If test mode is off, switch it on before continuing so the rest of the process happens in the correct environment. Once test mode is active, go to Billing and then Open Invoices. From here, you can either create a new draft invoice or open a draft invoice that already exists. The key detail here is that the invoice should still be in draft status, since the send option you need will be part of the review process for that draft. After opening the draft invoice, fill in the invoice details. Select a customer that has a valid email address attached to their profile, because Stripe needs a recipient in order to email the invoice. Then add the invoice items you want included. After that, configure the payment terms for the invoice. Take a moment here to confirm that the customer record has the correct email address before moving on, since that address will be used in the email settings later. With those details in place, move to the upper right corner of the invoice page and click Review Invoice. This opens the review window where Stripe shows you the final version before it is sent out. This is the point where you can verify that the invoice content looks correct and that you are about to send the draft rather than just save it. Inside the review window, make sure Finalize and Send is selected. This setting is important because it tells Stripe to finalize the draft invoice and send it by email as part of the same action. If a different option is selected, change it here before going any further. Next, review the email settings carefully. Confirm the recipient's email address so the invoice goes to the intended test customer. You can also choose whether to include the link to the payment page. If you need anyone else copied on the message, add CC recipients at this stage. Stripe may also let you configure an optional send date, so if you want the email to go out later, set that now. If not, leave it ready to send immediately. When everything looks correct, go to the bottom right corner of the review window and click Finalize and Send. Stripe will then email the invoice to the test customer using the settings you just confirmed. Your test invoice has now been finalized and sent by email in Stripe.